Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former Senate President Bukola Saraki has intervened in the sexual harassment allegation against the incumbent Senate President Godswill Akpabio by Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, saying that Akpabio should subject himself for probe. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the former Senate President Bukola Saraki, who was also a former governor of Kwara State, has reacted to the ongoing allegations of sexual harassment leveled against the President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, by the Senator representing Kogi Central, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. In a statement personally signed by him titled Akpabio Natasha, Let's Protect the Institution, Not Individuals, Saraki called for an open, transparent, and honest investigation by the Committee on Ethics, Privileges, and Public Petitions to determine the veracity of the allegations raised by Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. He recalled that during his time in the 8th Senate as the presiding officer, that is as Senate President, a senator alleged that he, Bukola Saraki, imported an official car for his use as Senate President without paying custom duty. He said that since he knew that he was innocent, that it was not true, the allegation, he supported the referral of the matter to the Ethics Committee and personally testified before it in full view of the media. He said his testimony proved that the senator who made the allegation had misrepresented the facts and was acting mischievously. Furthermore, on the day that the committee presented its report for debate on the Senate floor, he, Bukola Saraki, stepped down and allowed his deputy to preside over the affair of the Senate. In other words, what former Senate President is saying is that the Senator Akpabio should present himself for probe, that the Committee on Ethics should investigate this matter, and that it should be done in an open and transparent manner in the presence of the media. And he was saying that the institution need to be protected and not the individual. So what he was saying is that the Senate should ensure that the Senate's reputation is maintained, that the National Assembly reputation is not tarnished, that what is important, most paramount, is the institution and not the individual that should be protected. In other words, he was insisting on open and transparent investigation to protect the institution of the Senate. And if you read the whole statement by the Senate President of the 8th Senate, he said that he was not on any side. He is not on the side of Natasha or on the side of Akpabio. And he also cautioned those who are on the sides of these two people, these two major characters at play, that they should be careful and that they should be what they say in public so that it doesn't impact on what the committee can do about this matter. So, in other words, it said that they should be mindful of the words they say in public domain. And that's what is important, is that whatever they have to say, let them say it, and perhaps submit whatever is their view to the Committee on Ethics and Privileges. And it is important that former Senate President's position be taken seriously. This is because already many people are feeling that the disciplinary committee that was set up was stacked against Natasha, and that Natasha is only has a short while when the committee submit the disciplinary committee submit their report. She is likely to be suspended. So many people do not see how she can survive. Because already even people like Senator Ireti Kingibe has come out to blame her for her conduct when Natasha's seat was changed, which was actually the bone of contention between the Senate President and Natasha before the whole thing got out of hand. But I think former Senate President position should be the right way to go. Let there be open and transparent investigation of the allegation that was made by Senator Natasha. Let it be done exactly the same way that former Senate President Bukola Saraki conducted the allegation that was leveled against him when he was Senate President by a fellow senator. I think that's the way to go. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.